everyone. So we're just about to get ready to leave this particular place, but it was so fantastic that we thought we had to take a video. And so it was pretty hairy coming up here just because the roads are unpaved, but it's beautiful up here in the mountains. We are out in the Cedarburg area, or Citrusdal. There's a lot of orange orchards around here. You can smell it as you pass by. But we thought we'd show you our place before we leave. So this is the playground for little kids. There's an outdoor washing area. There's some wood over there to light fire or the fireplace, but it's an extra charge. We didn't actually end up using it. There's an outdoor shower, which is kind of interesting. And we're going to show you what it looks like inside. So we're going to take you over here into the bedroom. This is the first bedroom. And this is the first shower. There's two bedrooms actually in this place. Hello. And then we'll take you to the second bedroom. It's nice and bright. This is where we were staying. This is the other shower, which is kind of nice to have. And now I'm going to take you to the living room, which is also very spacious. And here is the living room, which has this really cool buffalo carve-out wooden, cardboard thing. We've got the fireplace to warm yourselves up at night, and a nice kitchen, big enough for 6. And then the best of this house is the view. Like I said, we were up in the mountains, and this is what you can see. You see the clouds over there just climbing over the mountains right now. Very cool. And you can see all of Citrusdal, actually. Sun rises behind us, but the sun sets around over there. And this morning we were able to see this moon set. We weren't able to enjoy the sunset, unfortunately, because we were busy hiking, but maybe next time. And then there's some other cottages there, so you can see it's very private. And then this is the braai, what they call the barbecue. And you can light a fire, cook some meat over there, and then, dine out in your outdoor dining space. And then you've got a jacuzzi to soak your feet. Fortunately, again, didn't get to enjoy this as much as we would like, but maybe next time. And I'll give you one more last look on the view, and you can see the orchards dotted along in the distance. Can you believe this is $70 a night? So 6 people could stay here max, I would say.